In today's world, data is as essential as water. From businesses to governments, everyone relies on data to make decisions and stay ahead of the competition. However, with so much data being generated and the stakes higher than ever, the ability to effectively extract and communicate insights from the data can be the key to success in the business landscape. But how do we extract and communicate insights from these huge datasets? Well, the answer is through data visualization. Hello learners, I'm Vasu Bhasin. I'm a Power BI analyst working at Fractal Analytics with extensive experience in the field. Over the course of my career, I have had the opportunity to work on a wide range of projects that have directly contributed to optimization of operations for global CPG brands. By leveraging the power of Power BI, I have provided these brands with real-time insights and enhanced visibility, enabling them to make informed decisions across various business areas. I'll be your partner on this journey, Insights of Power BI, guiding you through the wonderful world of Power BI